This is what 100 million buys, huh? Wasn't that hard to find you, Toretto.
Wasn't hiding.
Last week, a team of highly coordinated drivers took down an entire military convoy. You're gonna help me catch the team responsible.
And why is that?
They're chasing this crew across 12 countries. This was taken a week ago.
It's impossible.
I need your help, Dom. I need your team.
You got the best crew in the world standing right in front of you. Give them a reason to stay.
Our target's Owen Shaw. For years, they've been running jobs in Europe, but their most recent jobs graduated them to a whole new level.
You get us close to Letty and we'll get you shot. And you give us full pardons all the way around.
That's the deal. Take it or leave it. Ride or die.
We're not dealing with cops or drug dealers. I've never seen this before.
This code you live by makes you predictable. And I can reach out and break you whenever I want.
You believe in ghosts?
Maybe the Letty we once knew is gone.
You don't turn your back on family, even when they